right on 10.
Wait, so fun.
Hey, look at these houses. That's some real Miami shit right here. Step on me on fire. Come on,
What's up?
Come on, little shorty.
Say what's up.
What it do, Jay?
Name?
What it do, Jay?
So basically we are at
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Drew's still out.
we are at
Flambeau. Can't tell you the spot.
where at where are we going to though?
To some thrift stores out south.
I know, but where are
Down
we going
south.
now? Which one?
First one is Marshall's.
First we're going
Not
to
really a thrift
Marshall's
store, but-
and let me show y'all my new shoes first of all. Oh shoot. Oh my god.
White upper, blue sole with the bronze nickel
Oh yeah.
swoosh.
Oh yeah.
Some regular smegula. Here.
So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go into Marshall's real quick, see what we can find because
We need some money.
we need some money. So wish us luck. Bye.
sleepy. If you stop by here, you will definitely get the items after you finish. Alright. It's Fish House, West Jackson, by the Metro Center. If you don't know what it's at, ask me and I will let you know. Come here for the fish. They got a mass variety of options, but pretty popular for the catfish. I have the itis. Sid has the itis, even though she ate 3 pieces. And I ate 27,000. But you know, we heading back to my side of town. North side. Yeah. It's about 7:30 Eastern time, and we got NASCAR driver Sydney Powder whipping it. We got about 6.5, 7 more hours until we reach our destination. So just ride with us. Vibe with us. Shout out to Gucci, man. Follow us. See if we can sneak some breakfast. I know breakfast ended at 11 o'clock. What we about to see? Oh, it's a dub. Nothing else. Great. Because of this young lady, we missed breakfast, of course, huh? Of course. Beautiful day. It smells like caca out here. Wow, did you eat breakfast? That is crazy. But it's probably because we're getting closer to the waters and such. It's all good. Oh yeah, peek this, guys. We got some daylight I can show you. It's pretty cool. We out.
It's too black. Look.